How to rock the party with Edge and Bing AI. Okay, I gotta make this invite for Maya's disco party. Let's head over to Compose. Let's see if Bing Chat can help with a rhyming disco party invite. Okay, let's go with witty for tone. Paragraph and medium length look perfect. Let's generate this and see what Bing can do. Hey, that's pretty cool. Now let's add it to an email by clicking Add to Site. Now for the visuals. Let's pop over to Designer and Edge, and let's try Maya's disco-themed birthday party. Not bad, but I think I should personalize it. Let's add a pic of Maya. Let's take a look at some backgrounds. Ooh, getting fancy. There we go. Designer for the win. Okay, Maya's going gluten-free, so let's roll up our sleeves on that cake recipe. Popping over to Bing Chat, how to make this red velvet cake gluten-free. Thanks for that easy swap, Bing. Perfect party, here we come. Boost your search and creativity with AI-powered features in Edge.